Today's episode is 90's reaction to Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 58 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, Chu. 90 here. I'm going to do a reaction video on Kyoko's snore gets replaced with number block 58 snore, but she is way more deserved than usual because she is the biggest snot bubble blower in the anime series. Anyways, let's get on straight with the reaction. Haha. Kyoko, you successfully deserved it. Well, thank gosh this video ended. Kyoko, you little bozo. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 120.